Hello, my crafty friends. Well, today I am going to show you a fun and simple way to use washi tape just a little differently in your card making. Hi, it's Lynn Dunn from Stamptastic Designs. Thanks so much for joining me today. In this episode of Stamptastic TV, I have two different card ideas I want to share with you that feature a fun way to use your washi tape. Now, this particular washi tape is quite large, and it works perfectly with embossing. You get such a beautiful texture, and it's a fun way to use it in your card making. So this is the card idea that I'm going to share with you today, and we're basically going to be using a variety of different products. Obviously, one of the products we're going to be using is this Greenery Lane Washi Tape. So it's a much wider washi tape than maybe what you are used to. But I'm going to show you how to use it to create just a really pretty background for your card. So you can see I did a little bit of embossing here in the background. So some of the other products I'm using are the Paradise Garden bundle from Stampin' Up. So this particular bundle has a stamp set, a coordinating die set, and there is also this hybrid embossing folder. So this is the embossing folder that I will be using with the washi tape today. However, keep in mind you can use any embossing folder or supplies you have on hand with this particular technique. All right, so to create this card, we are going to start with a 3 3/4 by 5 inch piece of white cardstock. You can use any size cardstock you want. I just chose this size simply because of the card design that I'm making. Then you just take your washi tape and you unroll it. And what I like to do is just kind of place it right in the center. Now, I didn't cut my cardstock to the exact size of the washi tape just because it makes it a little challenging to try to get the washi tape on the cardstock. So you can see I have just a little bit of extra space on each side of the washi tape. So now once you have it on the cardstock, then you're just going to trim off the excess here. And you'll trim it off of both sides. All right, so now we are ready to do the embossing. So that is all there is to it. And look at what a beautiful design you get with the washi tape, and then of course the added texture with the embossing folder. So let's go ahead and create the card. So you're going to start with an A2 size card base. So it's basically 5.5 by 8.5 and scored in the middle at 4 1/4 inches. Then we're just going to add our little embossed washi tape piece. Then I die cut some pieces using that Paradise Garden bundle. So we are going to stamp a little greeting on here using some garden green ink. And then let's go ahead and just lay this on here. And we are going to add our greeting right to the center of this. So let's add this right about here. Then I just took a little bit of this garden green ribbon and I just kind of accordion folded it together just to create this little loop here. And then we're going to take this little loop and we're just going to adhere it right behind the greeting. So I like to use washi tape, so I'm using a different washi tape just to adhere this behind here. And then let's go ahead and add some dimensionals. So you can reinforce your washi tape by adding dimensionals directly over the top, like of the ribbon. And then just go ahead and add some other dimensionals to the rest of this piece. So now we can go ahead and add this to the card front. And for the finishing touch, I just added a couple shimmer dots just right on this little banner. So that is the basic design for this card. And then on the inside, you can actually just add some additional cardstock. So I'm just using a 4 by 5 1/4 inch piece. And then on a separate piece of cardstock, I did some more embossing of that washi tape, and I just cut it into little 3/4 inch wide strips. And you can use that to decorate the inside of your card. So it's super simple and just a great way to use your washi tape. All right, and the second card idea is very similar to the one I just shared. The concept is the same. I just used different supplies to create this card. So for this card, I have the Extraordinary Flora Washi Tape in the background with the Lazy Daisy embossing folder. And then I just decorated it with some of the butterflies from the All a Flutter bundle. So again, just a very simple card idea and just a great way to use your washi tape. Okay, so there you go. Now you have some fun ways that you can use washi tape in your card making. And if you enjoyed these card ideas, feel free to download the printable tutorial. You can find the link in the description below this video. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by liking it and sharing it with your friends. And leave me a comment below to let me know what you enjoyed most about the video and the cards shared here today. Have a fun and creative day, my friends. Take care.